In this video, we're going to go over the discussion form capabilities in Canvas, and I'm going to show you how to create a graded discussion and some other options that I really think you'll find very useful. So you will recall that our module template comes with this group discussion base page, and we have duplicated it here in this discussion, greening the desert reaction. So this is a module 1 discussion. We retitled that after we duplicated the module, and we're going to edit this so that we can deploy it and get grades for our students. So once you click on the discussion, you're brought to the discussions index with that discussion topic opened. We're going to want to edit it. And if you wanted to, here you could change the title of the post. I always mess this spelling up. I'm going to have to look at it. Desert versus dessert. Dessert is the final course, usually sweet. Desert. Desert. Okay, I got it right. Okay. All right. So, greening the desert reaction. Now, down here in the rich content editor is where you will put your prompt, what you want the students to be discussing. So again, I like to give a big picture here. So my big picture is going to be watch the YouTube video below. Then post your thoughts to the following questions. All right. Below, you will find the YouTube video of Geoff Lawton's groundbreaking Greening the Desert project. After watching the video, please respond to the following questions in your discussion post. Okay, and here I will make this a numbered list. Let's say something like, what was the most surprising I want it to be personal. What was the most surprising part of the video to you? What unique challenges in our area let's see. The video shows a successful installation in a very challenging arid climate. What are the biggest environmental challenges that a permaculture installation in our area must consider? Hint. Nope, no hints. What other local societal problems could be addressed with a permaculture installation in our area? Something like that. Guidelines. I'll put this here. Your discussion posts will be graded along the following guidelines. I'm going to beef this up and make it 200 to 300 words since I have 3 questions. Reply to at least 2 of your classmates' posts. Your response to your classmates' discussion should be around 50 words each, and add to the discussion, i.e. reflecting on the response, asking questions. Bonus. Links to installations in our area that, let's see, bonus awarded to replies that include links to permaculture sites that address concerns in a classmate's initial post or response. Okay. Remember, be nice. We are all learning here. And here's technical support if you need help with discussions, and they provide that link. Okay, so just like editing an assignment, you need to give some ground rules. Oh, I haven't added the video yet. Again, since this is the RCE, we still have access to these, greening the desert, to these buttons, and that includes everything. I need here we are. We still have access to all of the buttons in the RCE. That includes the YouTube, the math equations. All of these buttons you can use in your prompt. So here we're actually getting the students to interact with the content in a meaningful way by giving them some prompts before they watch the video to kind of affect how they receive what is in that video. Okay, there's our guidelines. Now, from here, we have some other options. Allow threaded replies. You probably want this. Threaded replies means that when you reply to someone, your reply is directly underneath their post, or is at least in some kind of tab order. I do have a slight problem with the threaded replies in Canvas in that their formatting is kind of hard to tell who is responding to a post. The indentations are just not clear enough. This feature, you will love this feature. Users must post before seeing replies. Okay, that will prevent somebody from going in and reading the intrepid first soul who posts to the discussion and just parroting what has already happened. They will actually have to consider their thoughts, put them together, and post them without having the benefit of seeing what everybody else is saying. It's a really great feature. Enable podcast feed. I really don't know what that does yet, so don't use it. This is a graded post, so we get to pick the number of points possible here. It's not a group discussion per se. This is a discussion for the whole class. This allow liking, that's okay. It kind of gives it a little bit more of a social media feel, and I think sometimes it really helps our students start to engage. I'm going to put this up here. Remember, liking a post does not qualify as a response to the post. However, feel free to like posts and replies it promotes healthy discussions. Okay? So we will allow the thread replies. Users must post before seeing replies. Graded, allow liking. Give it a number of points. Assigned to everyone, give it a due date. Something like that. And then save. Okay? And that's how you use discussions. In another video, I'm going to do a quick tour of some discussions that I've hosted in my courses so you can see what the layout looks like. And I don't know if I'll be able to show you how SpeedGrader works with discussions, but I'll give it my best shot. All right, come back soon.